Okay, so this is problem 347, top k frequent elements, medium difficulty. If you're given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. Return the answer in any order. So if you got nums here, k equals 2, then 1 and 2 are the most frequent elements, so that's why we return 1, 2. Here, just the number 1, so it's the most frequent element, so that's why you return 1. So let's create another example using... So I don't like this example because you have 1 that has to count 3, and then 3 with count 1, so that can kind of get some confusion here. So let's just use different numbers. So let's say we got 11, 11, 11, and then same with that 2. We're going to see later on how this number 2 and the count 2 can kind of be a little confusing. And then let's say we got just 3 there. Then basically, if we were to just take the count, since we're looking for the most frequent elements, that's basically saying that we want to keep track of the count of each element. So the counts would be, you just use a counter of nums, and it would be, so it would be basically like a dictionary where 11 has value 3, 22 has value 2, and 3 has value 1. So why are we doing this? Because it says down here that the algorithm's time complexity must be better than n log n, which is basically acquired through sorting. So we can't just sort it. But what we could do is, since there doesn't appear to be an algorithm that's faster than n log n, which is like O of n or O of 1, the next best would be n log k, which would involve using a heap. So what we could do with a heap is, we got this counts, and then we could, with the heap, we can like iterate through this counts. We could store it as like a pair of the count and then the value. So it'd be like 3, 11, 2, and 22. And then, so if length of heap less than k, then you do heap push. So that's why we got this. And then else, do heap push pop. So now heap would be this whole thing, and then the last one would be the 3 with count 1. So it would be 1, 3, and then you pop out the least frequently occurring element, which would be the element 3 with the value with the count 1. So then you basically pop 1, 3, because 3 is least frequently occurring. So then now your heap is back to this. So then basically you're gonna have the heap is just gonna be this at the end. And then since we want the elements and not the count, the actual counts, we just do return count for count value in heap. And that's basically it. So now we could just write the code for this. So we need the heap. And then here, heap push, heap of, okay, so we need to iterate through the counts. So for, so we had 11, 3, 22, 2. So for value count in counts, actually this would be for value in counts, and then count would be counts of value. So 11 would occur 3 times, 22 occurs twice. Yeah, okay, so there, now we got heap push, and then now we're gonna do count and value. And similarly for here. And then when we're done with the loop, yeah, return count for count value in heap. Yeah, so that should be it. Heap push, push pop. Yeah. Okay, so let's run this. Oh, okay, let's see why this is wrong. Counter. So for value counts, count equals this. Heap push, heap, count and value. The value. For value. Return value for count value and heap. And it passes. So that's it for this problem. Thanks so much for watching.